Slimy. Bum.
Yeah. Oh,
Jane, look at me. Bum.
Hey.
Welcome back to NJ Brothers Toys Review. Hi guys, welcome back to NJ Brothers Toys Review. Today we're gonna be making slime. Let's slime it on. We're gonna show you two different ways. The first one, we need glue, contact solution, food coloring. Let's get slimy. Just one color. Now we're gonna play with the slime. Oh, oh, do I cut you? Here you go.
That's a toy.
I thought I did that too.
Ew.
Let me add this.
Okay, I want this one. Ew. Oh,
Right.
slimy. Look at this. And then look at this.
Slime.
And then look at this.
We could sell slime.
And then what?
There you go.
Ew.
Don't combine yours with slime. Oh, didn't get the little one. I get the big one.
It's the muggles. I'm tired of muggles.
Ew.
Muggles.
I have buggers. I have buggers.
I'm a mouse. I'm up. I'm not coming out of here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Now we're going to be putting this aside and showing you the second way to mix slime.
Ah.
Here you go.
I'm gonna top it. I'm gonna put it again the same again.
Let's start with the second one. Now we're going to put the glue.
Blue. Blue.
looking awesome.
Yeah, and mine getting blue. And wow, it's a nice. Yeah. Oh my god. It's blue? Ooh. It's slimy. Ooh. Ooh.
Take it off. Go wash your hands.
Okay.
Ooh, this slimy. He went off to wash his hands, people. Mine went out terrible. Okay, but I'm enjoying it.
I'm sticky.
I'm mixing this up. Ooh, slimy. Ooh, slimy. So stretchy.
And stretchy.
It's coming off.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, Lily, keep putting green.
Yeah.
You can have that. That's for your slime.
Yeah.
Don't even touch my slime anymore. Oh, this feels precious. Took a word.
Ew, slimy. Okay. Ew.
Jen, scoot over.
Okay.
Get your slime. Go get your slime, Jen. Yours is down there.
Oh.
Guys, put down below if you like the first one was better or the second one was better. Go for the second one, okay? Go for the second one. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Bye! Let's play with the sword.
Bye.